Welcome. This is an everyday 10-minute yoga stretch. Feel free to have some props nearby in case you'd like to modify. We'll begin laying, hugging the left knee in towards the chest as close as you can comfortably get it. And we'll start to circle the ankles, so just making a big circle with the toes. Make sure to go both directions, just feeling out all the clicks and ticks here. And then whenever you're ready, we'll plant that foot on the mat and just allowing the left knee to fall open, almost like a supine tree pose. Hands can rest by your sides, palms facing up. Option here to place a pillow underneath that left knee for added height and support. Doing your best to soften the lower back, the mid back. With each exhale, softening the inner groin, the thigh, the feet. We'll gently lift the knees, switching sides, hugging the right knee in towards the chest. Maybe finding a bit of movement in the ankle. Whenever you're set, go ahead and plant that foot on the mat and then just allowing the right knee to fall open. Option again to modify. Using your breath to create space. Exhaling to completely let go here. Inhale, drawing that knee back up. We'll hug both knees in towards the chest, grabbing the outer edges of the feet, getting into the hamstrings here. We'll go ahead and open the feet for happy baby pose. Option to gently rock side to side. Hug the knees in towards the chest, big squeeze, and grab the backs of the thighs. As you use your core, press yourself all the way up. And you can gently start to rock forward and back here, tucking the chin, or just come up to a comfortable seat, whatever works for you. Wherever you are, come to seated. We'll begin to circle the neck or just rocking the head side to side. Again, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Coming back to center, inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the left. Inhale, the hands reach up. Exhale, side stretch towards the right. Inhale, the hands reach up. Exhale, we're going to twist towards the left, just a gentle twist. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to soften the shoulders. We'll inhale the hands back up. Exhale, twisting towards your right. Now we'll do that whole flow sequence all in one. Go at your own pace. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards your left. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, side stretch to your right. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, twisting towards your left. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, twisting towards your right. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and gently release. Maybe take a moment here. Whenever you're ready, we'll come into a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, and we'll tuck the toes, sending the hips towards the heels. Now you can stay here. You can begin to melt the forehead down towards the mat, reaching the hands towards the top of the mat. If it feels okay, you can go ahead and rock gently side to side. And of course, if this pose just doesn't work today, perfectly fine. Just come to something that feels better for you. We'll inhale, release, coming all the way down to your belly. Resting on your forearms, tucking the tailbone, lifting through the sternum. Option to take the hands a little further up if this back bend is a bit too intense. And wherever you are, feel free to find a bit of motion here, movement within the spine, gently rocking side to side, gazing over one shoulder and then over the other. Resting here, or go ahead and take the hands to your sides just outside of the mat. As you inhale, peeling the chest off the mat. Engage the core slightly. Exhale as you melt back down. Pressing into the hands this time, sending the hips towards the heels, forehead or cheek to the mat. For child's pose, and you can take the knees wide if that feels okay today. Option to modify here, placing pillows underneath the hips and underneath the torso for added height and support. Drawing the breath into the chest. And as you exhale, softening the shoulders, the upper back. the arms, the hands. Drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back with each inhale. With each exhale, softening the hips, softening the belly, softening the feet. We'll gently release, coming all the way up. Resting the hands on your thighs, palms facing up, giving yourself a bit of gratitude for showing up to the mat today. It is usually the hardest part, and you did it. You got there. Know that you are worthy of this time, and this space is here for you anytime that you need. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.